single day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with a review of front load 8 kg washing machine from the brand Bosch. So first of all, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel, like the video, and there is a bell icon, press that too, so that you can get the upload notification of my new video. I keep making videos related to beauty, fashion, shopping review on my channel. I make all videos in both Hindi and English language. If you are watching my channel first time, then subscribe to my channel. Those who did some query about Samsung top load washing machine, I have given the answer in the last of the video. So stay with me and watch my entire video till last. So we come to the washing machine. This is its outer packaging. Here at the corner is its model number, rate, weight, and its price is mentioned. It has a manufacturing year 2018. Its model number is WAT28469IN. Its weight is 71 kg and its price is 43,900 rupees. But after exchange, the Samsung washing machine, I found it 36,000 last year in March 2019. I bought this machine. This machine can clean up to 8 kg of clothes. So here the power button on the left side whose power connection is done, and here is the power supply connection. And I have always been using this machine by alternate day. When I was thinking about buying washing machine, I was thinking that I could also clean my lightweight blankets. And in the last of this video, I will tell whether my search was completed or not. So let's start without delay. It has been more than 1 year using this machine. This machine has anti-vibration system, due to which it does not make any sound at all. This machine can clean up to 8 kg of clothes. So the first is start and reload button. With this button we turn on the machine and we select the reload option when a cloth is left. To insert it inside the machine, we open the machine by clicking reload option. After turning the machine on with this rotating knob, we can use the clothing option. There is a drum clean option in this program of this machine. If you use washing daily or alternate days, then you must run the drum clean option once in a month without washing powder. Next is spin and drain. We use this option when we have washed the clothes by hand, then use this option to wash and dry the clothes. And the next option on this is fresh up, which we can use by putting softener to eliminate the smell of clothes as in the rainy season. And the next option is Super 30/15. The clothes that are worn every day are not so dirty. So in Super 15 we can clean clothes, but I have used Super 15 many times. It does not clean clothes properly. We can use this option only to refresh our clothes. To use the next option Super 30, we have to turn on the option Speed Eco. Seen in the display, we can use this option. By the way, Super 30 option is the best. And the next option is Allergy Plus, which includes clothes like socks, towels, bedsheet, undergarments, and many more from the hospital that can be cleaned. And it has a lot of options like cotton, synthetic, daily wash, delicates, wool, blankets, jeans, kids wear. Allergy Plus. In the digital display, we can set the timer and reduce the speed of the drum, and heat level of the water can also be reduced. We use the ready in timer option only when we have to go out somewhere in the emergency or a guest who has come. We have to attend it. There is no time to start the machine. We want our clothes to be washed when we are free. And when we free, we will have only one job to do: dry clothes. And the next option is Speed Eco. We use it to reduce or increase the power consumption. When clothes are so dirty, then we use the pre-wash option. Pre-wash option is used in all programs, but in not wool in the option. Like I show you, if I am setting the program to wool option, then the pre-wash option will not show in it. There is a next option, start reload, is where the machine start, and if you have missed any clothes, then reload by pressing the same button again. You can open the machine and insert it. By chance, if the light goes out or there is a fault in a machine, then how will you open the machine? If the machine is locked, then there are two ways to open the machine. The first is spin, speed, and ready in. Press these two simultaneously. And the second option is here is a small cabinet under the machine. There is a rubber of black color in it. If you press the rubber downwards with the sharp thing, then the machine opens. Although it is given in the manual book, do not install the machine in the bathroom, but there is a lot of space in my bathroom. For this reason, I have assembled it in the bathroom. And whose window is tempered glass in this machine, in which we can easily see the washing happen, and after every wash the rubber that is inside has to be cleaned with such a dry cloth or towel. Its drum is made up of stainless steel. The drum is very wide from inside, in which we can clean about 10 to 15 clothes comfortably. And I think that the wash time of the clothes is fine for 1 hour, but if the wash time is given is 2 hour and 3 hour like kids wear and G's wear, then what clothes pulp to make? The clothes are thoroughly cleaned in 1 hour and half an hour. If it is any kind of clothes, then what is needed is the time of 2 hour and 3 hours are for us to waste water and electricity. This is my personal view. I mean, more wash time removes the life of clothes. And if I talk about myself, I personally like this machine very much, and I bought this machine only after doing a lot of research. And I have taken this machine from the electronic shop which is near my house. I have taken it from there, and this machine has met all my expectations. So I am really very happy to have this machine, and I would like to suggest to everyone that definitely buy such a machine. Yes, this machine is a bit expensive, but to get some relaxed moment in your life, one cannot invest in a machine. So I would like to suggest this machine to everyone to buy it. If you like my review about Bosch front load washing machine, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it. Like my video and comment in the comment box. I have shared my experience with you. Now you decide which machine you should buy in future. Very soon I will come back with a new interesting video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.